Guys, welcome to my channel, Bitchat TV.
Baby, we found just who we are meant to be in this galaxy.
Welcome to Bitchat TV. Please subscribe. God bless. I'm gonna give you 3 seconds to subscribe. I mean 5.
Ayan, dumating na si baby namin. Ayo, kita mo? Ayan ang baby. Ay. Wow! 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 See? Oh, you have a baby sister na. Oh, see? Eh, stricto na ngayon eh. May CCTV na kasi. Ayan, ang cute-cute ng leg ng baby. Ah! Naku, cute-cute. May tag price. Ka-symbol ng crib. Oh, si Rayo mag-a-symbol ng crib. Mag-a-symbol si Rayo ng electric pedal. Ng ading-ading niya. Ayun. Oh, number 1.
So, it says in number 1 today, this piece, the driving seat piece, and the long thing piece. Who's that? This piece? It's just not that seat.
Oh. Oh, be careful. Zipper. 3.
This one.
These pieces.
And it's
Oh, are they already?
yeah.
Yes, step number 4 is just to do that.
Oh. Oh. Step 5.
So this is step 3.
There's one more.
Step 3 lang yan. Ay, oo.
Okay. You know where to shoot it? Look for the hole. Yeah. Press that thing like this. Like this. Yeah. And then is it inserted? Okay. Go. Catch it a little bit. Go. Okay. Press the bottom there. A little bit.
Oh, careful with your finger.
Okay, go.
Oh, galing. Dana. Oh.
That's a half.
Yan. Attach the black. Oy! Oh, nahulog. Yan,
Okay
yan.
lang yun. Ano lang yun? Support lang yun. Okay,
Ah, yan na. Done?
Don't, there's still more.
Ah, mayroon pa doon. Lili. Oh, step ano na be?
You need to attach the pillow. Somewhere.
I think doesn't need may nakahangin.
Ah, nakahang. Yan. Ayan,
So,
ganda.
just
Ah,
attach it.
yes. Para makita niyo. Touch na. Touch na. Touch na.
May music na ba yan? Wala pa.
Oh. Ay.
I-on mo na. Para i-isa.
Give me the adapter.
Adapt.
Kasi may
May power box si Papa na wala pa dyan doon sa bahay si Papa. So, kita. Nandito si Papa. Ito, kausap ko nandito si Papa.
Into Daddy, can you get?
wait.
That's the remote.
Adding
I
pa.
was gonna
Try
get it
it.
up. Wait.
Okay.
Ayan. Remote niya.
Remove the...
Ay, Daddy. Hilain na
Ah, ganda. Di remote pala eh. Pot na. Dahil na. Ah.
Wait na.
Parang luyan. Ugoy-ugoy. Marunong na talaga yung balay mo. Hindi na yung kailangan.
Okay, Daddy will break it.
Yeah, wait na. You're gonna put adding na.
Yeah, adding.
Safety, first.
Oh, nagising. Ano ba yun? Kala ko dumilat eh. Ah, may seatbelt pa siya.
Your nose, anak. Your nose.
Oops. Ayan.
Sorry lang po. Hirap nyo.
Remote mo na. Para mauboy. Uboy. Oh, wow. Ah. Oh. Sarap na tulog. Oh.
slow lang.
Wala na yung
Oo.
Pero kung bumaki, kailangan na.
Uy, magtanong na.
Si Ading.
Oh.
May tulugan na rin pala si Ading.
Oh, bantayan niyo muna.
Hintayan ni Rayo eh.
I put the battery thing back.
Yes.
So it won't break. The saging is wood.
Oh. Doon sa saging. May saging si Bibi, oh. Oh, see?
Moon yan.
Moon.
Moon.
Half moon pala yan, and star. Akala ko saging.
Your tissues here, para hindi pa hawak siya.
Dapat tatayin mo. Kasi hindi marinig yung call yun. Hinaan lang. Ha? Cute naman. Oh! Ay, nang lang.
Hello, Ate!
Iyak, dahil bisita.
Ganito ang hito.
Paano na ka? Sama to, be? Oo nga, tinatanong ko lang ba?
Raya ng cover ni Ma. Praxis si Mima. Kasi... Ang bebe. Ang bebe.
Mama, tingnan mo, may ilim kapag hila mo nakatali yung ano niya.
Gahan mo. Nakalaylay yung ano.
Ang bagong apo. Ang bagong apo. Ang bagong apo.
Adik of Ryan.
Doon ka, okay daw. Oh, baby. No, doon ka na. Hello, baby. Welcome. Welcome to the world. Ganda, bakit na kasi bangot? Okay na. Let's go. Ano, Ben? Dadalhin. Oh. Ryan, yung younger sister. Say hi. Raya, this is my ading. What's the name? Wow, complete. Ayan, baby girl namin. Good morning. Rayo, we will go to school. We will attend meeting. Uy. Rayo, bagong gising. Bagong gising. Oh, inaaninag niya si grandma niya. English daw, bawal. Pag nandito si Rayo, bawal daw ang Tagalog. Hindi daw maintindihan.
Busog yata eh. Hindi.
Tingin ko sa'yo wala eh. Baby, that's Lolo. Lolo. Baby, Rian. That's Lolo. Ang baby.
Matay singkit.
Singkit ang baby.